Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the dongle model and that your computer has admin rights. This avoids permission roadblocks. Once done, insert the dongle into a direct USB port, not a hub, and watch for the device detection pop-up. If the OS does not auto-install, open the driver installer you downloaded or the included driver partition. Make sure to close other network apps so the installer can register the virtual adapter cleanly. This gets you to the point where the adapter appears in network settings. Next, you install the drivers and restart if the installer prompts you. This ensures kernel modules load properly. After reboot, confirm the adapter shows in Device Manager or Network Interfaces. Enable it if disabled. Then open your OS wireless list, find the target SSID, and click Connect. If you are using the dongle's AP mode, switch the utility to access point, create an SSID and WPA2 password. Make sure to save settings so the adapter broadcasts or connects consistently each session. Finally, you verify internet access by opening a browser and loading a few pages. Run a quick speed test to confirm expected throughput. If connectivity is unstable, update firmware or drivers via Tenda's utility and try a different USB port, preferably USB 2, 0 or 3, 0 directly on the machine. If it still fails, disable other network adapters temporarily to avoid conflicts, and check signal strength and dongle power. If nothing works, reboot the host and retry the full sequence. That often clears residual issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.